All right, welcome to part 3 on the section 5.3 titled Finding Z-Scores. We only have 2 more examples. They're pretty quick, and it's just about how to go from the Z-score, or the Z-value, back to the X value. Now, we already did it in previous videos, but I wanted to rearrange the formula slightly just so that it's easier to find the X value. So that's the formula right there that we used in the previous one, and then this is the new one. So what happens is I just solved for X. So example 3, we have ACT scores approximately normal with a mean of 21 and a standard deviation of 4.7. So let's say I find a bunch of different Z-scores, and I just want to know what ACT score is associated with those Z values. And we're going to use that formula to do it. All right, so let's start with Z equals 1.96. So I'm going to write out the formula and then plug in all the specific information. We know the mean is 21, the Z value is 1.96, and the standard deviation is 4.7, which gives us an ACT score of 30.212. All right, for the next one, we have a Z value of negative 0.44. Again, I'm going to write out the formula. It's good for muscle memory and to help you memorize it. We have the mean of 21, the Z value of negative 0.44, standard deviation of 4.7, and that gives us an ACT score of 18.932. Now for a Z value of 0, we're going to get X equals 21 plus 0 times the standard deviation, and that gives us an ACT score of 21. And finally, for 3.11, that gives us an ACT score of 35.617, which is almost the highest possible score you can get. Now, just because I am curious, I would like to know what percentile that is. So when you take a look at the normal table, a Z value of 3.11 is associated with, so we have our normal curve, 3.11 is out here. That area, not that area, sorry. This area is 0.9991. That means you are in the 99th.91 percentile if that's what you score. I'm actually going to change what this example is. So it's going to be what ACT score do you need to be in the, and I'm going to change this to be the top, let's say 1% of all ACT scores. So when you look at a normal curve, we are looking for this Z value that gives us this little area here of 0.01. Now that means on the normal table, I'm looking for 1 minus 0.01, so 0.99. In the normal table, the closest we have to 0.99 is 0.9901, and that has a Z value of 2.33. And now if I convert that to an ACT score, we have 21 plus 2.33 times 4.7, and that's going to equal 31.95. So you need approximately an ACT score of 32 in order to be in the top 1% of all ACT scores.